What's up, Guerreros? How you guys doing? Today we're gonna talk about relationships. A lot of people are dealing and struggling with their relationship with their loved ones or significant others, and I'm gonna touch this subject, but because me being married with my lady for 26 years, we had our ups and downs. We had our struggles, we had our issues, and a lot of times, you just gotta learn from your mistakes. You gotta understand that the grass ain't greener on the other side, which a lot of people think and a lot of people want to run to. The thing is that everybody forgets about the end goal. What you said that you were gonna do when you married your significant other, your lady. You said you were gonna be there for her for the rest of her life, through health and through anything that that would happen. You were gonna be there. It was gonna be unbreakable. And we forget about the end goal because of our emotions, because you let fucking feelings get in the way. Feelings will deter you from the ultimate goal, which is, being with that person forever. Why? Because it's our ego gets in the way. I dealt with a lot of that shit, and it was my ego. It was my fault. A lot of times, once you fucking end up doing stupid shit and saying stupid shit, once you sit alone or you fucking take off or you end up in solitude, you end up recognizing that it is your fucking pride and it is your fucking ego that fucks you in the moment. Feelings in the moment of anger and control are the same shit. The reason that you're mad is because it's not going the way that you want. You're not getting the fucking response that you want or the outcome that you want. So people start getting mad. They start getting angry. And you cannot solve a problem in the same way it was created. That's where a lot of people fuck up. They're trying to fucking solve a situation in the moment, and fuck, nobody wants to be wrong. Everybody wants to fucking be right. So you gotta choose peace over being right sometimes. And you gotta understand that in that moment of anger and fucking frustration, you're so clouded that you don't understand and you don't see that sometimes, most of the times, you're wrong. You could be wrong. It's vice versa. A lot of times you just let your emotions and your feelings get in the way of you noticing that, fuck, I am wrong. Fuck, it's my emotions are taking over. I'm out of control. I can't control myself. I'm talking out of fucking anger. I'm talking out of fucking just the frustration and not getting the outcome that I want. So I'm saying all kinds of stupid shit that you don't see in the moment till later, once it's too late. That's the problem. It's the feelings in the moment that deterring you from the ultimate goal, which is being with that person forever. And a lot of times people take it to the next level where, like, fuck, man, they end up splitting up because everybody thinks that, it's gonna be better with somebody else or with the new person. It's gonna be the same shit. It's going to be the same thing because there is no fucking relationship that's going to be perfect and rainbows. I keep saying it again and again. Like I said, I'm speaking out of experience, and me and my lady been through a lot where it's like the ultimate goal is just two imperfect couples not giving up on each other. You got to skip to the end result and just love that person. In our reality, what do you think that dealing with fucking situations in that moment that they're never gonna come back? That's fucking being just delusional, not understanding that, hey, you're gonna have your ups and downs regardless of how long you've been with that person. It's not gonna get any better. It's not gonna get worse if you don't let it. It's just, you're gonna be able to control it a lot better. That's all it is. It's not gonna be where like it's gonna be fairy tale or rainbows at the end goal. Nah, there's people that are fucking been around in their relationship 30, 40 years and they still have their dispute, but we learn to hold ourselves back and think shit before we fucking say, or we end up resonating more with patience and understanding. For a lot of you youngsters out there that, starting your relationship, you gotta understand that, situations like this are gonna fucking happen. You just gotta know that you have to control yourself. You gotta and it's difficult to do in the moment that is happening. Anger and control is what fucks a lot of people because it's something that, you can't control. So you get mad and pissed off and the rage comes out and the stupid fucking words come out and you spout a lot of disrespectful shit back and forth, and a lot of people don't take it. They feel disrespected, and they end up just giving up on their fucking end goal, which for you to be with your partner till death, and we gotta just fucking fight for it. And the key here is just skip to the end result and love that person. And I'm gonna keep hitting this fucking subject all the time because there's a lot of fucking things happening that it's under your control once you learn how to control your temper, learn how to control your emotions. And sometimes you gotta, like I said, take a step back. You cannot solve a problem in the same way that it was created. So take a fucking chill pill and fucking come back in a better state of mind. Just fucking get it.